Joey, we gaan je zo beetje gedaan, je komt maar nu. Oeh, dan dacht ik hier eentje. Die heek. Die Aoidh. De man Ross de Roon en nu zijn we Gary Castle, la Joe, Katie, Dee, Mac, Jason, je de lig. Schoonisch. En zo rustig vriendje tje daar fad. Zo wordt dus Katie. Oh, good chance. We Gary Katie hoort u, maar shag is centrac, maar was she hard. Dan zie ik over steen zo. Ik geloof de beiged. Perfect zo. Nantje van net zo. Tje jas tak in je. Maar steen te hegen is. Dan net vallen. Door wil take haar dat je be. Dan get ik hasten is. Zo. B&B Mike is padder. Oh, Crenimage padder, gomor. Marm Quills Valley, Tashkiel more a brush and Ross the Roon feel ergs. She'd find on mission show that my giddy agam her Katie give him Kirkajid at a turl. The man show like John Joe is Ross the Roon. Hey John Joe will spice speak out on your knee when you're listening to the gal.
Oh yes, I will guess I cast that system gal you have still much.
And sure, do well on we have to be at their watcher going agus watcher kind of marriage show.
We has the yet a galorist in the gal and shock you get them to the Japanese not to be there in your face for
the man just cafe ik fan at like Katie, but you could fry your beer phone. Some good. Hey Mac, good one with you. Mac, good one with you.
So Caitlín on loch, huh?
Shay on offshore. See she's.
So could to see in the restaurant.
My giddy agam for her Katie.
Katie?
Yeah, Nessie Hearth.
Jenny
does a good for her.
Fuck am I?
So Mac, that's still a pass gan well chocolate and should we?
Well, that's a sucker am einings the post in million. So gomorlish.
Agus by Bonish says low key na.
Don't fight some nach me mars ta D ta unexpensive tasting D.
Right, Mac, cut the crap. Tesgan your near and your faketi, agus tesgan gerhala to lehe.
Call them like Katie.
Tesgan your liga. So, Kehin Tehe, Tessana Jason.
Brianna, Nila no mom, so she'll come she mocht right, Marsta, busy listen hacky.
Mac, gotcha, Mac. Well, the honey should that D.
Brianna, you must get lost for sure, right? Shach and here at had if we saw.
Kaitu and should the Jeez, how I'm sitting edge back. Shut at the blood war. Drama lish in the dailies. Okay, had Danig ma or Katie gefoil at Tushki Firma? Dig to that.
To me, to my, to the thing.
It's a way fought to Gargalta.
Oh, can I?
Katie then, you hashbandu.
No, shall Galanta.
Oh, wow. Shin fab. Second. Get his zoom.
Well, the game of a drug,
yeah, text.
Fight you can find it. Oh!
Oh, wow. Shin Galant.
Fancy Mac.
That's right.
Mac, got your bomb, shaky.
Oh, I do.
So, Grandma. Oh, please.
So, could you be in there?
Can't find Brian, she goes out the high.
So, will she bring Ray?
Yeah, I thought. Come on.
Tá síl sonna sésta amach róin inis, agus tá má súl go mór leis buis.
Tá náir sin tréigm sa dí war hí gin se den dí agus tá mac freigailte le nescedéile dénne. Líthe dá le a bhí agam seo an Ross na Roon aniu. Tá náir sin drama siúil agus níl sacu ceacu mac na Jason na taithí. So ach am ribag dibh siúd nachhfuil ag brathnú a Ross na Roon. Tá Katie sú le poiste agus tá dí le pású Mac agus tá seans beidir gur Mac. So dúir cén taithí Mac na Jason. Tá mórtas early hena Twitter Ross na Roon agus is féidir mála airí de chuid Ross na Roon a wachant agus ag hasclub Mac na Jason. Well, mit gurí teid an scéal sin na chlustal, is féidir brathnú Ross na rún ga i Cuairt agus i dhéirdaoin ag léine háirt agus bín achchamar an i gcónaí ag léine.
Hi, Herja. Bhí gom set Ross na rúna ega. Han Caitlín ban na hamstersta ag ceistú fumsa. Bhín sic damanta arisin hartiste go dtí má bhálasa a chuir ceist ar mádaí bhála cé a head a feiste. Jason a dom. So bhí Adamsa hartiste go gáileh agus a bháin na bhla. Har ma fiú Adam a hata seo at ogla na hogla go negatiste má bhirtu. Taradi go hogfall a her. Ima insin hain fiú agus nia carta bí ica si bheith hartiste tóga racha na Ross na rún.